Well, the question says that Mike had 20% as many marbles as Jim, so we can write the statement as Mike had 1/5 as many as Jim because 20% can be expressed into fraction as 1/5. Alright? So if Mike had 1/5 as many as Jim, so we got to draw Mike's model at first to be 1 unit, and therefore Jim will be 5 units. Alright? And the difference will be this, 4 units. Since a question says that Jim gave Mike 280 marbles, then they will have the same number of marbles. Okay, by having Jim give away half of the difference, which is 2 units, then Mike and Jim will both have the same. Alright, so equivalently, we say that 2 units is equal to 280, therefore 1 unit is equal to 140. Now the question asks, how many marbles did Jim have to give to Mike so that he would have twice as many marbles as Mike? So we want the end model to look like this, Mike having 1 part and Jim twice as many, therefore 2 parts. So the question asks, so what do we have to give, Jim have to give to Mike? Alright. Comparing the before and after model, we must know that the total is always the same because it's about transferring a marbles, no marbles lost. Because of that, therefore, we know that 3 parts is equal to 6 units, and therefore 1 part is equal to 2 units. So looking at Jim's model, in the end, Jim had 2 parts, so which is equal to 4 units. Jim had 5 units at first, Jim had 4 units in the end, so the difference is 1 unit. That means to say that Jim had to give away 1 unit in order for this model to occur. Since we know that 1 unit is equal to 140, that means to say Jim had to give away 140 marbles to Mike. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.